In this video, I will not only draw the picture for you to follow along, but also provide verbal instructions and tips on how to draw the picture. Today I will show you how to draw a wood nymph fairy, in cute cartoon style. I generally start by drawing the head. Here you can see as I draw the hair, that both sides have the shape of a peanut. Keep in mind that you can draw the hair any way you like. This is only a suggestion of how I personally did it. I then draw a small circle on each side, at the bottom of the hairline for the ears. Followed by a sloping line from the ears down, but not touching each other, leaving a space for the neck, and also not forgetting to draw the inner curve of the ears. To frame in the face, I draw the front hairline. Remember, this does not need to be perfect, or even the same. I am making the fairy with 2 hair buns. To do this, I start by making ribbons at the top of the head on each side to hold the hair in place. Take your time and create the ribbons the way you like. In art, pictures are anything you create. The hair buns are nothing more than drawing a half circle at the top of each hair ribbon. I draw a little curve for the nose and mouth first to get a center point, before drawing in the rest of the facial features. When drawing the eyes, they are circles within circles, starting with a large circle and getting smaller each time. There are 4 circles for each eye. Note the position and size in the drawing. An eyelash above the eyeball is an extension above the largest outer circle with a small triangle-like peak on the far side edge. Draw in the eyebrows above the eyes, on a slight angle downward toward the outer side of the face. In this area we are going to be drawing an acorn that the fairy is holding, so I will draw an arm coming down to hold it. Note the hand can be drawn in the shape of an arrow to make it easier than drawing in fingers. Follow the drawing as the acorn cup, stalk, and nut are created to see their shapes. Now you can draw the other arm and hand that is behind the acorn. See how the fairy's left hand is just a line on the edge of the acorn nut. This matches the shape of the other hand. You're more than halfway finished, and you are doing fantastic. The skirt is nothing more than simple lines drawn whatever way you wish. You're to have fun while drawing and creating your picture. Keeping with simple lines, I draw her legs with 2 lines each. One for the back of the leg, and the other for the front. Notice her feet come to a point, similar to her hands. This is another easy, yet creative way to draw cartoon feet. What would a fairy be without delicate, light wings? She has 2 pair. the upper wings being a bit larger than the lower. You may find it easy to draw each with a single stroke, but if not, you can use shorter lines and connect them. Nothing is a definite given in drawing. I color my drawings in Microsoft Paint for a smooth even color. However, you can use pencils, crayons, markers, paints or whatever you like. I hope this drawing was helpful for you. If you enjoyed this format presentation, please leave a thumbs up so I can tell and continue providing the best I can for you. Thank you, and I hope to see you many times again.